Hi friends, this video shows how to access OpenClaw web UI running on Android mobile phone from outside. So here you can see I have installed OpenClaw in this Android mobile phone. See, I can access OpenClaw web UI in this Android mobile phone. But I want to access this web UI from outside. I will show you how we can access. Go to Termex. And here first I am going to open this JSON file .openclaw/openclaw.json. Open this file and here go down and here you can see port under gateway. So remove this bind. Then here I am going to paste this. So bind we need to change to LAN. Then we need to add this control UI, allow insecure auth true. Then save this file. Done. Then let me go to this first terminal where OpenClaw gateway is running. So I need to stop the gateway, press Ctrl C, then restart. See, now gateway is running. So let me again go to that second terminal. So I need to find the IP address of this Android mobile phone. So let me run this command. So it says 192.168.1.7. Then go to Windows laptop. Go to this URL 192.168.1.7:18789. See, so here we can access. I think token has been changed. So let me refresh the token. So go to terminal 2. Then just cat this file. See, token changed when I restarted gateway. So I need to copy this new token. Then paste here. So remove double quotes. Okay. Then click on connect. See, now it's connected. So now I can access this OpenClaw gateway dashboard from Windows laptop. Actually this OpenClaw gateway dashboard is running in Android mobile phone, but I am able to access from Windows laptop. See the status connected. So let me test. Let me run this prompt here. So here I have opened same OpenClaw gateway dashboard in Android mobile phone and Windows laptop. See, now you can see the output. And here as well. See the same output. Okay, so this way we can access OpenClaw gateway dashboard running in Android mobile phone from outside. So please try this. I hope you have enjoyed this video. Please subscribe this channel. Please like and share the video.